So, what comes in your mind when I say the word short clothes?
Short clothes, okay, big deal.
What about you? Your Nam, like, what's the case? Or you're like idolist?
I'm fine with it.
Okay, you're fine with it. यार कैसा लगता है लड़कियों को छोटे कपड़े में देख के
फीलिंग की कुछ अलग आती है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल
भाई कैसी फीलिंग की बात कर रहा है तू
फीलिंग हॉट टाइप
ओहो व्हाट्स द
Everyone
थिंकिंग
watches in a different way. Okay. Senior citizen. अरे इसको तो कल्चर ही नहीं सिखाया इसके माँ बाप ने. And the youth are like, oh man, she's so hot. And like, okay, when both of them, they are staring, they are talking. And what about us? What are we feeling there?
What does first thing come in your mind when I say the word short clothes?
Probably.
Do people judge in India when you wear short clothes?
Yes, definitely.
What kind of judgment you get it?
Absolutely wrong judgment. Short clothes, bad environment, and social causes, whatnot. Like what society thinks about it, like inconvenience.
Okay. What about you?
Short clothes.
It's about cheapness of mind.
Okay.
Like,
Anything else?
Then cultures, of course, that in our basically culture we do not wear shorts. We wear anarkalis, we wear blouse who has a 6-inch gap between your like the down skirt and the blouse.
So what about the item song Anarkali Disco Chali?
Actually, okay fine, you have seen the heroine over there.
Yeah.
You have seen her dress up. So that's our Indian culture.
Who all judge you the more? Is it like the youth, like the boys, or the senior people, or is there some other people, something other like that?
Senior people thinking you've not got good etiquettes. Youth with a bad kind of feeling.
Okay. What about you, man?
देख के लगता है कि कोई जन्नत से परी आ चुकी है
जन्नत से परी हूँ मैं. Do you think people judge wearing a sari
No,
with a small blouse or something like that?
no. Just because of the old mentality.
I think that each and every girl has to have their freedoms to wear anything in this world. Nobody can point out that you can't wear this, that and all.
You know, the
So-
ones those who are bigger, they can do everything.
Okay.
The ones those who are middle class and the lower class and the upper middle class, they cannot do anything.
मतलब सलमान खान टी शर्ट ऊपर करके पसीना पोछे that is very cool. और एक नॉर्मल बंदा
डायलॉग
no
हम करे तो कैरेक्टर ढीला, बाकी सलमान करे तो रासलीला. Like
रासलीला वो
like that. So it's
Okay.
like if a common man does, it's not normal. And if a big man does, he's a star. He's a big man. He can do it.
They should be in limits to wear their clothes and all.
Okay, so is it like is it like the girl wearing a short cloth that's the problem, or is it the society's problem?
No, the girl wearing the shorts is the problem.
Is the problem? What's your take?
Actually, the problem is with the society. I think the society is wrong. Sorry about that.
अरे एक सेकंड में आंसर चेंज हो गया यहाँ पे. सोसाइटी रॉन्ग पहले गर्ल रॉन्ग थी अब सोसाइटी रॉन्ग हो गई. It's like a girl when she's small, when she's in child, she goes with the short clothes. Like if you see, the mother gives them shorts to wear. The mother gives her a frock to wear, short skirts to wear. But when she goes older, the clothes gets longer. Why so?
I think because of the society's mentality, they are giving to our maybe parents that make your child to wear this, that. That's why maybe our parents and the society what's thinking because of them, the girls have to suffer.
हाँ? ऐसा कपड़ा क्या पहने?
क्या हुआ
हाँ देखो अंकल ये कपड़ा पहनने का ढंग है. हाँ?
आपको क्या जा रहा है
पहन रहा कैसे तू ऐसे कपड़े?
अबे तू ऐसे बोल कैसे कर सकता है बे कर क्या 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 सो क्या करना चाहता है
तू कपड़े पहन रहा कैसा है ऐसा?
सुन औकात मेरा
औकात में नहीं है, ज्यादा बात मत कर.